baby ducks in bed.
One sunny morning at the crack of dawn, Mr. Gorilla's up and ready to make a yawn. But the zoo's got energy, oh can you smell a mischievous monkey with tricks to tell?
Bananas are missing and the toucan sing. The elephant's trumpet, it's a curious ring. Mr. Gorilla's puzzle trying to think, but the monkey's already giving a wink. Monkey's got a plan, it's a prank for the day, with a stash of bananas hidden away. The crowd will cheer and the children will laugh.
Mr. Gorilla's caught in a monkey's craft. Swinging from trees, the monkey's on a spree, giggling as it hops from bough to tree. The lions roar in a playful surprise. Mr. Gorilla sees through the monkey's guise.